You want your stocking? Okay. Daddy, give Evie her pups.
Ho, ho, ho! You've been a good girl.
Yay! Wow. What else is in your stocking? Pups. Show me your
Those are
pups.
good for now.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay, pups! I guess that's all she needs.
All right.
Why bother with anything else? Show me your pups, Evie.
Successful Christmas.
Show me your pups. Let me see your
I have a
pups.
feeling we're not going to get off so easy next year.
Yeah. Don't you want to open presents? Bye. Pups. How many pups are there? 1, 2. Ooh, nice fire, Daddy. Roaring fire. I love it. This is going to be a good Christmas morning. Here's all the loot.
Santa hat.
Yes.
Santa. Something. Open. Tear it open. Tear it. Yeah. Good girl. Like that.
Rip it, rip it.
What's in there? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Elmo there. What is this thing?
What is it, Evie?
I think this opens up. Oh! It's Elmo.
Cookie Monster.